Sean. This is Craig.
And Sue.
And my wife, Sue. And we are heading to Texas right now from Colorado Springs. And we have our 3 dogs with us. This is the baby, Hannah.
And Heather.
Heather's the mom. And right down here is Harry. He's the dad. And we're all traveling together. And this is our channel. Right. And we're inside the van. And we're going to head out in a few minutes here. So, welcome.
Look at
Pikes Peak up at the top.
really nice. We go get gas, right?
Yeah, we're going to get gas right now. And then hit I-25 south. Which will take us down to New Mexico.
This today I think good for travel, you see.
Good day, beautiful day today.
Yeah.
It's about 51 outside.
To come here to see me, Hannah? Hey, Heather? Maybe Hannah want to drink some milk? You love your puppy? You love your puppy? Hannah's so cute. Oh, nice. Look now, nice. Wow, surprise have Wells Fargo here. Have the bank.
Wells Fargo, yeah.
Yes. Maybe have some more supermarket.
At McDonald's.
Not too bad. Are you hungry? Okay, we find area to park tonight. And we eat, okay? And I give you food and we eat. Oh, okay. The rest area
we
today.
We are at the rest area in New Mexico. I'm not sure what the name of the town is, but Hannah's awake right now.
and she tried to walk.
Yeah, she's walking.
She started walk from yesterday.
Yeah.
Harry, come here.
Harry, come here.
Harry, come.
Come here, boy.
Boy, Harry,
Is
come
he
here.
stuck? He might be. He's stuck on the.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was you stuck? Oh, he got. Oh, you still not take off for him?
Oh yeah. Well, he jumped. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh. Okay. Harry.
Oh man. You want to take off this? That means you're not going out anymore tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to poop. You better hold it till morning.
I cannot.
Anyway, take this off. Wait a minute, come here. Oh, I think I'm trying to pull the other one off at the same time. No wonder.
Okay, I start to cooking.
Come here, boy.